Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we explore the biggest questions in the universe. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to uncover some of the most mind-bending facts about space. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you see everything. Let's start with something familiar, or at least something we think is familiar. The stars. When you look up at the night sky, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking back in time. The light from the nearest star to us, Proxima Centauri, takes over 4 years to reach our eyes. And that's our closest neighbor. The light from stars on the other side of our own Milky Way galaxy takes tens of thousands of years to get here. So, many of the stars you see tonight might not even exist anymore. You're literally looking at ghosts in the sky. It's like the universe's ultimate throwback picture. Speaking of our galaxy, the Milky Way is enormous, but it's just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. Scientists estimate there are at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 2 trillion! Let that number sink in. If you counted one galaxy every second, it would take you over 63,000 years to count them all. And each of those galaxies contains billions, or even trillions, of stars. The sheer scale is almost impossible to comprehend. We're not just a needle in a haystack. We're a single atom in an entire planet made of haystacks. Now, let's talk about some of the strange and wonderful objects out there. Have you ever heard of a rogue planet? These are planets that have been kicked out of their star systems and now wander through the darkness of space all alone. Imagine a world with no sun, no dawn, no dusk, just eternal night as it drifts through the interstellar void. Scientists believe there could be billions or even trillions of these lonely wanderers right here in our own Milky Way galaxy. Some might even be larger than Jupiter. It's both a lonely and fascinating thought. And what about the most extreme places in the universe? Let's talk about black holes. These aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They are points in space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The center of our own galaxy hosts a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equivalent to 4 million suns. But even that's not the biggest one. The largest known black hole, Ton 618, is a monster with a mass of 66 billion suns. It's so large that our entire solar system could fit inside it many, many times over. Trying to visualize that is just mind-boggling. But space isn't all darkness and emptiness. It's also filled with incredible beauty. Take nebulas, for example. These are giant clouds of dust and gas, the very nurseries where stars are born. The pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula are one of the most famous images from the Hubble Space Telescope. These colossal towers of gas are light years tall, and deep within them, new stars are igniting, creating their own solar systems. It's a cosmic cycle of birth, life, and death, playing out on an unimaginable scale. And have you ever wondered what space smells like? Astronauts who have been on spacewalks have reported a peculiar scent clinging to their suits when they come back inside. They've described it as a mix of hot metal, seared steak, and even raspberries. This smell is thought to come from polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, compounds that are released from dying stars and drift throughout the universe. So, the universe, in a way, has its own unique barbecue-like aroma. Who knew? Let's get even weirder. Did you know there's a planet made of diamond? It's called 55 Concrete E, and it's about twice the size of Earth. It orbits its stars so closely that its surface is incredibly hot. Scientists believe that the immense pressure and heat have caused the carbon on the planet to crystallize, forming a world that is possibly 1/3 pure diamond. Can you imagine a planet with mountains of diamond and diamond rain? It's the ultimate cosmic treasure, though it's a bit too far away for a mining expedition. And the universe is not silent. While sound as we know it can't travel through the vacuum of space, celestial objects do emit radio waves. When scientists convert these waves into sound waves, we can hear the universe. Black holes create a deep, low hum. Pulsars, which are rapidly spinning neutron stars, sound like cosmic drummers with a perfectly steady beat. Listening to these sounds is like tuning into the universe's own radio station. It's an eerie but beautiful symphony of cosmic activity. Now, here's a thought to keep you up at night. The universe is expanding, and not only that, the expansion is accelerating. Galaxies are moving away from each other at ever-increasing speeds, driven by a mysterious force that scientists call dark energy. We have no idea what it is, but it makes up about 68% of the entire universe. And then there's dark matter, another mysterious substance that makes up about 27%. So everything we can see, all the stars, galaxies, and planets, only make up less than 5% of the universe. We are surrounded by a cosmic mystery that we've only just begun to unravel. 95% of reality is completely unknown to us. Think about the rain on other planets. Here on Earth, we get water. But on Venus, it rains sulfuric acid. On Saturn's moon Titan, it rains liquid methane, forming lakes and rivers. And on a distant exoplanet named HD 189733b, scientists believe it rains molten glass, sideways, in winds of over 5,000 miles per hour. It's a beautiful blue planet from a distance, but it's one of the most terrifying weather systems imaginable. It really puts a rainy day here on Earth into perspective, doesn't it? And finally, let's bring it back home for a second. Every single atom in your body, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, was forged in the heart of a star that exploded billions of years ago. You are quite literally made of stardust. We are not just living in the universe. The universe is living within us. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. And every time you look up at the night sky, you're looking at your own cosmic origins. It's a profound and humbling connection that ties every one of us to the grand, spectacular, and mysterious universe. I hope these facts have sparked your curiosity and given you a new appreciation for the incredible cosmos we are a part of. There's so much more out there to discover. And every day we learn something new that challenges our understanding of reality. What's the most mind-blowing space fact you've ever heard? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to read what fascinates you the most. If you enjoyed this journey into the depths of space, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more cosmic adventures. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.